Oh, give me more. Give me more. Are you the guy who plays the drum on the bridge sometimes?
Yeah.
Just ran. Are you sure? I can just do like a close-up.
I got you, baby, I got you.
Okay. Oh, that one is dope, dude. Yeah.
This year, 2022, the Canon 5D Mark III is 10 years old. That's crazy. When I was first getting serious about cameras, the 5D3 was the holy grail on the internet at the time. I wanted it so bad, but I could barely afford corn chips, so there was no chance I was getting this baby. Luckily, I saw a really cool video by Andy Axe, absolute legend, where he was comparing this 5D3 to the new Panasonic GH4, and it basically blew my mind and it was way more affordable. So I ended up going the Panasonic route for many years, and I never got to try the old 5D3, but that changes today. Thank you to my buddy Crispy for letting me borrow his 5D3 and the old L-Glass 24-70 2.8 with a f***ed up filter thread that doesn't really work. But luckily we're not really using filters today. We're just taking the camera and lens downtown Nashville and we're gonna shoot some good old frickin' street photography POV. I'm gonna do my best. Cheers.
All right, here we are. Nashville, Tennessee, baby. It's a beautiful day. Got the 5D Mark III and this 24-70, and I'm ready to have some fun, go on a little adventure, take some pics. Right now, I'm in aperture priority mode with auto ISO and auto shutter, obviously, and it's feeling good, hopefully. We'll see. And unfortunately, I won't be able to like hold the camera in the frame for you guys because it's really slow autofocus when I use the live view mode because it's not mirrorless, obviously. So I gotta use the viewfinder to get snappy autofocus. This thing is freaking huge. It's so beefy, but the grip feels so nice. I'll try to be more patient tonight. Ooh, that might be it. I'm also shooting with the like silent shutter mode on the DSLR, so it's not quite a loud click. It's pretty quiet. I'll put it up to the microphone. It's kind of got a nice little junk to it, but it's still quiet. Let me see if there's like a balancing beam. What the heck do you call it? A level. I need to see if this camera has that. There it be. How you doing? That's a good answer. Cover your bases. I want her to turn. Please turn. That's better. Thank you. This camera feels very snappy for a 10-year-old camera, dude. The DSLR it's just got that frickin' vibe, that reliability, that Scooty Squad mentality. Hopefully we get a few bazangers today. Man, it feels cool using a 24-70. I think this is my first time shooting street photography with a 24-70. That's pretty cool. Go ahead, man. I'm just chilling.
Beautiful.
I'm just doing it for fun.
I've seen this. I actually saw the building from the ground up.
Oh, really?
I have all the pictures.
Oh, dude, that's sick.
Yeah.
Have a good night, man.
Beautiful architecture is amazing.
Sure is.
You are very knowledgeable.
I'm also an architect.
That's cool.
You'll catch up.
Are you the guy who plays the drum on the bridge sometimes?
Yeah.
Oh, that's awesome. I've taken a couple photos of you before.
Ah.
That's crazy, yeah.
Yeah, I'm Walter.
I'm Zach.
Hi.
Nice to meet you.
Zach.
Can I get a photo of you? You just look so good right now. The cream with the gold, the chains.
Cool.
I don't look good wearing chains, so someone's got to do it.
Yeah.
Move, truck. Move, truck. Please move, truck. Thank you, truck. It's hard to tell. Things are in focus. Hi, how are you? Yeah, what's up?
Okay, so the super nice lady told me she was selling newspapers to raise money to take care of her kids, and it happened to be Mother's Day, so I said if she would be my model for the day, I'd give her a little bit of cash money. Okay. She agreed.
All right, the deed is done.
Oh, I love it. That's the best spot.
Well, you have a great night. Best of luck to you, okay? All right, see you later. cool lighting right there. I've been kind of hesitant to make these street photography videos just because I don't feel like I'm a great photographer yet. But I really do love coming down here just to talk to people. Just like actually get out of my house and be with the peoples. Selling Sony, switching to Canon, LOL XD, raffle copters. Influencer betrays Sony for Canon. Just sit in the middle of the street talking. What do we have here, huh? Oh, give me more. Give me more. They're gonna pull me over for being too good at photos, you brats.
Take the next right onto 7th.
Oh yeah, I forgot to show you guys the shoes I'm rocking today for ultimate comfort. Nike Air Max Zooms, baby. Fashion show at work. There we go. I don't know if that will be cool or not. Wonder if anyone's watching this. Hi.
That was nice you waved at them.
I know, right? Just think if someone's actually watching, they're having a great time. Yeah. He just rapped. Dude, that was sick. Sounds good, man. Oh, that one is dope, dude. Yeah. Sometimes I have no idea if I shoot a single good frame and I go walking around for 3 hours. I'm gonna get a giant burrito after this. I'm gonna pay $10 to eat some fried pork. All right, 5D3, you've been pretty damn good to me.
Wow, well, turns out the Canon 5D Mark III is still a beast in 2022. It's really easy to get caught up in the hype of new cameras, and Canon specifically is coming out with a lot of new cameras right now. We got the R5C, the R10, the R7. There's so many new cameras that are coming out every single year, but you definitely don't need a new camera to make beautiful images. And especially with the 5D3, I would say the photo capabilities absolutely still hold up this year. And I had a great time shooting with this camera. You know, the autofocus is still really snappy. The viewfinder is still more than good enough. I definitely prefer the modern day electronic viewfinders, but you can get by with this for sure. The battery life is fantastic and the grip just feels really good. It's definitely a big boy for street photography. I kind of like a more low profile camera, but it does feel really cozy. And this lens does this stuff. And when it came to editing the photos, I definitely don't consider myself a professional. I'm still learning photography and I'm using this series as a way of documenting my progress so I can look back and be like, wow, you suck. I would say from my limited knowledge, the images coming out of this sensor look so good. When I was looking at them on my laptop, I was amazed at how clean this old sensor still is. I had to add some grain just to give it a little bit of texture. I was in between 20 and 50% for most of my photos. And the message I want to give to you guys is, you know, you don't have to have the newest camera gear to make beautiful images. You could freaking make a full-time living with a Canon 5D III in 2022, or you can pick this thing up and just shoot as a hobbyist. But I hope you know that I don't want to just be a shill from camera companies. I want you guys to be the center focus of this channel, and I want you to have a good life and be able to use cameras to build the dreams that you want. And yeah, I think you could do that with a 5D III. All right, I'm gonna go help these guys mow my lawn. Love you. Text me when you get home so I know you're safe, and I'll see you in the next video.